Good evening, welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight we have our simple organic meal. Avocado mashed on organic sourdough rye with sliced yellow tomatoes. On top we have ground coriander, ground fennel, crushed red pepper, a little bit of sea salt, Redmond real salt, and some organic walnuts, and a little bit of organic brown rice vinegar. So what do we have here? Of course we have our proteins and amino acids from the walnuts, from the rye. The protein in the rye are called secalins. These are technically glutinous compounds, but easier to metabolize and break down than some of the other glutinous grains, meaning wheat and barley. We have our fatty acids, we have our fiber, we have our vitamin C, our potassium, our magnesium, our flavonoids, our carotenoids. We have our nitric oxide synthase. So we are benefiting flow-mediated dilation. We are supporting all of the systems of the body, and we're having a fabulous meal in the process. So get ready for the big one. We're going to take a bite. Here we go. Okay. Enjoy in good health. This took just a few minutes to prepare. I look forward to coming over to your kitchen when you make this, and we'll sit down together again. All right. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay blessed, stay together, stay in peace, stay hydrated, stay cool. We are in the midst of deep summer, and I love you all. We'll see you soon. Peace.